Saint-Gobain is probably the biggest company I've never heard of, but once I heard of it, now I love working here and I couldn't imagine working anywhere else.
I think Performance Plastics is a great company to work for. I've had a wonderful summer here. Even though I was here for a very short amount of time, I've had a lot of opportunities, and it was a great way to see all the wonderful things that this company can do for you.
I'm doing cooler things in this internship than my friends have in their real jobs.
As an intern, you don't really expect to be working on projects that will have a huge impact, and concept engineering, I think, is a great idea for that group to have been formed a couple years ago, because going to the customer and really knowing what they're looking for, and then going back and designing something that you know that they need, especially if it's something really huge like a headrest system or the C-track that go in millions of cars. If we win this this project and we start building it as an intern, to be able to work on that, that's really cool.
I think my favorite project was the blade dispenser. As I mentioned in my presentation, I got to 3D print and eventually get my blade dispenser machined. And it was cool to actually have a physical version of something that I created. And a lot of my projects also were started before me and are going to end after me. And that one is one of the ones that had the most closure. There's still some more steps to be taken, but I got to see the final product before I left.
I think I really love just being out on the floor, just talking to the different operators, you know, because last year I interned here and a lot of my stuff was more or less like computer work. I was on Excel a lot, so this summer I was actually on the floor most of the time, so I really love that.
You know, I've had other internships, and some of them which really aren't as structured as it is here. And especially in, I know in my department there was always resources. Everyone was always there to help you. Anytime I was confused about something or I needed advice, I could, I felt comfortable asking anybody anything. And coming back here again in the second summer, it made it even better because, I was already established with those people. And it just, anytime I needed help, it was right there. My supervisor always supported what I was doing, was always available to me, anytime I wanted to meet and, revise some of the things I was doing. So, absolutely, great experience these past 2 summers.
I'm hoping to work with Saint-Gobain again, maybe a different facility, but next time I hope to be back at the company somewhere.
So I have enjoyed my summer here immensely. I would not have done anything different, and if given the opportunity, I would come back here to PPL in a heartbeat.